guys, welcome to my channel. I am going to do a ribbon pour today, and I've got some extra cabochons here so I can do them in the drips. And I've got black, white with a little bit of milky blue chalk paint in there, and I put some iridescent medium, and I've got a bunch of silvers because I didn't have enough of one. Let's go ahead and get started. Now, I've never done a ribbon pour, but my intention is to create a background for another piece that I have in mind. My paints are pretty thick. I don't know how thick they're supposed to be. My silver is not as thick, so I don't know how that's going to work. I'll share with you what I want to do. I want to create a deep dark forest at night. So you'll have to tell me at the end of the video if I achieved that. I don't have enough paint to go over a second time if I don't do a good job here. Here we go. Okay, let's tip, because I got way a lot of paint here. Ready? Okay, let's give this a torch. All right, I didn't really want any cells, but if I try to fix them, I'm afraid that I will ruin it. So I'm just going to leave it at this and let it dry. Then I will evaluate to see if I want to add a black wash to the edges, maybe some up here, and then I'm going to resin it, and then I will do another video on the second part. Let's come in for a close-up of wet look. Okay. Look at the chatoyancy. So what do you think? Does this look eerily like a bunch of trees in a forest? I can't wait to see what this looks like. Dry and resined. Woohoo! Thanks for joining me. Like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. It helps my channel. We'll see you next time. Love you. Bye-bye.